Flying in at number 4, we have the Boeing 787 Dreamliner. This fuel-efficient aircraft can transport around 296 passengers and fly incredibly long distances with ease. Once the Boeing 787 Dreamliner is at a safe altitude and no longer requires the landing gear for takeoff, the flight crew retracts the landing gear into the aircraft's fuselage, reducing drag and improving fuel efficiency. Once the aircraft reaches the runway threshold, it aligns itself with the center line of the runway in preparation for takeoff. The flight crew completes final checks and confirms all systems are ready for departure.
Subscribe our channel for more content.